Okay, back on with me. Let's see, we've got one part at 50 and two parts at 20, making a total of 90. Divide that by the three parts. I reckon the answer is going to be in my head 30. Spot on. What a great teacher I am.
Temperature. Then with the higher temperature, you took away the lower temperature from the higher temperature and you got the answer. You got 50 minus 20 is 30.
Do you think that always happens?
No.
Or is it just happen here? Okay.
I like what this girl is trying to do here. She's trying to see the bigger picture. She noticed that if you took away the smaller temperature, lower temperature from the higher one in each of the examples, you got the right answer. So if you took away 20, 60? If you took away 20 from 80, you ended up with the right answer of 60. And if you took away 20 from 50, you ended up with the right answer of 30. But that was just a coincidence. It doesn't happen every time. But I was impressed. I was impressed that she's trying to see the bigger picture. I think she's a very clever girl. I also think it's time now to go back to your desks and to do some written work and to get something down. Okay, in this part here, I'd like you to answer these questions. I'm going to give you about 10 questions here. I'd like you to answer these in your back of your book or on scrap paper. And we'll see how we go. We just take them one at a time. I'll give you the question and then I'll go through the answer. So question 1 is beaker A at 50 degrees C, I don't know about here, and beaker B also at 50 degrees C. Question 1 is what temperature will the mix be? Well, the answer, I guess it will be 50 degrees C. And run. Yep, that's spot on. Give yourself a mark if you got it right. Okay, let me help you out here. Sometimes when students are asked similar questions to these, they add the temperatures together. Or in this particular case, this student has taken one away from the other. So she was asked what would the mixed temperature be when equal quantities of 30 degrees C water was mixed with 20 degrees C water, and she came up with the answer of 10 degrees C. Now that's quite common, but it's wrong. The answer is actually the average between the two, 25 degrees C, and that will be the answer to all of these questions coming up. It will be the average. Sometimes also students try to give you a range of answers. Here to the same question, this student's given the answers 35 to 45. And now for all of these questions coming up, it is possible just to give one temperature, just give one number. So hopefully that's helping you to answer these questions. Question 2, beaker A at 20 degrees C, beaker B at 80 degrees C. What temperature will the mix be? What temperature will the mix? Okay, well I guess it's going to be in the middle, just like mixing the dyes. There you go, 50. Let's try that. Yep, 50 again. Give yourself a mark if you got. Okay, question 3. Let's have beaker A at 80 degrees C. Come on. And beaker B at 50 degrees C. What temperature will the mix be? Okay, well I guess just like before it's going to be in the middle. So I'm going to put it in the middle between 80 and 50. I'm going to try and put it about 65. But, about there. Let's try that. 65. Yeah, could be up a little bit, but it is 65. Okay, give yourself a mark if you got 65. Are you ready for question 4? Let's have 20 degrees and 20 degrees, but let's have half the quantity of each. What temperature will the mix be?